Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at Microsoft Whiteboard, a free downloadable app from the Windows Store. Alright, just a quick overview of Microsoft Whiteboard. Like its namesake, it is just a whiteboard where you can write down ideas, write up your lessons, draw, demonstrate, share your ideas, and collaborate. Up in the top corner here, you have a few options. You can sign in with an account, you can share your whiteboard with others, and you have your settings. We're going to go ahead and open up the settings menu. Looking at the settings, we have a few options to choose from. We have the active pen. One of my favorite little features is ink to shape. So you can draw any shape you want, circles, squares, triangles, and so on, and it automatically clean it up and turn it into the proper shape that you intended. You have a few other things here. One of my other favorite pieces is the export. So after you've finished your whiteboard lesson, you might want to export it as an image. Now, formatting the background. One of my personal favorite things. I like to customize my whiteboard to my needs. So I'm just shuffling through the colors here to show you what kind of colors you can have for your whiteboard. So it doesn't have to actually be white. And you can also use grid backgrounds. Now, excellent for those who are teaching maths and those who teach graphics. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose a nice baby blue background and a plain grid. You have a few options here as well with the toolbar location. You can set it into a few different areas. So for example, you can set it to the left, the right, or the bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave it on the left hand side because that's my preferred side. And you can just start drawing. Easiest way to clear a canvas, just open up your settings, go down to clear canvas, and off you go. But just give you a heads up, guys, it will clear absolutely everything on there. You might just want to use your eraser. Now, if you are using an active stylus, you can just flip your pen around and use the back end as an eraser. A few other options here, guys, are the pens that you can choose. You have your black, red, blue, but if you click on it twice, you can have any color you want, any size you want as well. So that's the size, the thickness, or the stroke of the pen. One of my personal favorite things as well is the ruler. I'm using two fingers here to rotate and move my ruler around. And you have an insert menu where you can insert images and other documents where you might want to annotate on top of. I'm just going to demonstrate how you actually write with it. There you go. Easy. Nothing to it. Now I'm just going to demonstrate how the ink to shape works. So draw the shape that you want and it automatically readjusts it to the desired shape that you intended. Just for fun, I'm going to color in with the special rainbow pen. Now you might have noticed that when I tried to erase the actual box, it didn't erase it. Now once it detects that it's a shape, it turns it into an image. So you got to use your lasso tool, make a selection around it, and then you'll give you a few options to either copy it, cut it, or delete it. Now I'm just going to demonstrate how to draw a cube above the horizon line. So maybe in a graphics lesson, you want to So I've just drawn my horizon line here, 2 points of vanishing. So this is a 2-point perspective. I'm just going to speed through this section so I'm not wasting your time. You get the general gist. Now, the good thing about Microsoft Whiteboard is it actually is integrated into Microsoft Teams. So if you are using remote learning and your preferred platform is Microsoft Teams, when you go to screen share, you'll have the option of screen sharing Whiteboard. If you click on that, it won't be this particular whiteboard that you're opening up here. It opens up a specific one actually built inside of Microsoft Teams. With this app, you can share your whiteboard with others. It can be your students, it can be your peers, your colleagues, whoever. All you got to do is select, and you can get the share link and email that share link out, or send it through Microsoft Teams as a message, and people that can click on it will then have access to that whiteboard, so they can add as well. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Shoot me a comment down below if you need any other resources that you're interested in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.